So where was I? Yes, about feeling blessed and about that nature is now not only something to enjoy after work, but while you are at work, and actually it is my job to go into the nature. So actually I have to do it. I have to go out and find inspiration. I really like that, that I have to do it. I'm obliged to it. I'm obligated. Yeah, I have to do it. I have to force myself out in nature to get inspired. This is amazing. And yes, and here I am. Out here in this wonderful windless day. So in old times, way back in the old days, to just go out into nature during a normal day at work would be like cheating, being like escaping out in nature, or being like, I go outside for a little walk. I don't say it because I really have to work, and be effective. So going into nature is maybe not what the boss expects you to do or likes you to do. But now I'm my own boss. And I'm telling myself that I have to do it. I have to go into nature. Because I'm connecting, I'm connecting to the source. I'm finding the energy here. I'm finding the objects that I'm going to draw and be inspired to make pictures of, and I find the knowledge that I can bring to these people who want my paintings. So I'm truly feeling blessed. I truly, truly am. Just look at this. Can you see this? If we go down here, can you see here in the snow? All these small little plants here, all dry. They look so fragile. But still they manage to stand there in the snow, in a thick covered layer of snow, and they're still standing. I find this so inspiring. Yeah, I really do. And these apple trees here, they still have some old apples on them. So that the blackbirds still have something to eat. I hope. Great, huh? So that was just a short hello for me today. And hopefully... Oh, there was a small feather. Oh, there's many feathers here. There have been a battle, I think. You can see. Maybe there have been a battle out here. Maybe they're battling about the apples. About the last pieces of apples here. You can see here. Oh, this giant apple. Oh. You can see this giant apple? It's all frozen. But this is like party to the birds. Yeah. But I hope to to make a video inside the offices, but I don't know quite yet if it's allowed to post on Facebook, because maybe I will record some dialogue sets that are not supposed to get out in public. But yeah, you hear? You got the outside. Woo. Tour here. Yay.